Hi, welcome to my channel, Supply and Demand Mastery. Our channel, we are focusing on the supply and demand method. If you think this supply and demand trading method, this strategy is work and suit you, then you can have to subscribe our ebooks. Alright, recently I have launched a new ebook. Alright, as a starter pack, it's more than enough to get you profitable. So right here, this video we try to analyze this pair. Right, this is a dollars index. So the dollars index, it will affect most of the pair because out of the 100 pairs out there, most of it are related to the dollars, right? Especially our major pair like euro dollar, pound dollar, and our USD JPY, and so forth. Right, so let's start from the higher time frame. Right, so right here it's very obvious we are still in uptrend. In H4 we are still in uptrend. Right, so what I found right here, this might have doing a new chart pattern, what we call a bullish flag. Right, so we have to get a confirmation. This is what I found in H4. Right, but we have to know currently we are still in uptrend. Right, the trend reversal is not yet been happened. But in H1, what do we have? Alright, in H1, what do we have? So in H1, right here, got another chart pattern that I found. Right, this is another triangle chart pattern. This is where the price have the breakout. After the breakout, it's pullbacks to the supply zone. Right, can you see this is a very obvious one of our supply zone. Alright, with our one of our F5 setup as well. Right, so this is a very sharp entry. Alright, just slightly touch the zone and react. Okay, but question, is the trend is going to reverse? Alright, from the angle of the low time frame, yes. Alright, but from the angle from the high time frame, no. So based on the H1, if we base on our structure mapping, the answer is no. If based on our H1 structure mapping, the chalk should be right here. This is the key level in H1. If this key level, this important swing low break, then this we will consider as a real chalk. Right, as a real chalk. This is what we call the real chalk. So above, yes, this is also quite a slightly important low. But this last swing low for this uptrend has been break. Right, if based on the basic structure, we know this is a higher high, higher low. Then we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. Right, so this is the first break of structure happens here. So this is the kind of the signal the trend is going to reverse. Alright, from lower time frame. Then this will be another second last swing low has been break. So from here, we know we should try to look for the sell or the supply zone. Because if the price fail to create a new higher high, so what is that? That mean the trend is going to reverse. Alright, if we base on the basic market structure only. Because right here, very obvious, the last higher low break, then the second higher low also been broken. So when the price pull back, can you see right here, this is one of another H1 supply zone as well. Then the price get rejected. Alright, get rejected from the zone here and fail to create a new higher high. So that means the price, it will falls down and grab more liquidity from the bottom if want to continue the uptrend. If fail to do so, another new trend is coming, right? We call it as a downtrend, where the trend reversal is formed and solid after this key level break, alright, based on the current time frame structure. So very easy to know that for every swing low, swing high, we can use to identify current structure, either is in uptrend or in downtrend, right? So this is what we call the boss, right? Boss break of structure. So this is the most basic and simple things for everyone. With align with the chart pattern we can use, then yes, right? Remember, this is one of our first setup we have learned ever. BPE, breakout, pullbacks, entry, right? So this is where the breakout happens here, and it leaves a strong supply zone behind. Can you see? This is a very strong engulfing, all right, with the big candles, and it leaves a zone behind. Then when the price retests to the zone slowly, then immediately get a rejection again from the zone. So in the short term, DXY, it should keep falling down, right? But in long terms, the DXY is still strong, because in H4 it might doing another patterns like this, breakout or even higher. All right, this is just one of the assumption. So we have to monitor the price action, what the price is doing, and happens on every key level. All right, if you want to continue the trend, this should be how it likes. Or if it really breaks this level, then what we should look for is the short on this US dollar, all right, dollar index. So right here we can see this is a very powerful demand zone right here, right? This is a H4 demand, right? So because this is where the last demand zone, very strong in H4, it leads a break of structure here. It leads a break of structure here, and with a powerful candle, right? This is what we call the imbalance. And you see the imbalance and leads the break of structure. So this is where we have to monitor this zone, right? If you want to continue to buy. But above here, right here also have one of the zone. This is also one of the demand zone as well, right here. Same, create higher high, lead the break of structure here, and with the imbalance, right? With the imbalance. So this video is here, and I will put the links below if you are interested to subscribe our summarized and simplified ebooks for the supply and demand mastery. Right, thank you for your support, and we see you again in our next video. Bye bye.